Hello and welcome back to another Roblox scripting tutorial. Today, as you can see, I have a tool in my hand, so that means we're going to be doing something on tools, and if I click, I will actually be able to walk through, and as soon as I let go, then it's back to can collide. So click, walk through, then I can't, and then I'll let go, and it even prints what I'm doing, activated, unactivated. So, let's cancel this, and let's get to scripting. So I'll delete this tool, just for the show. Delete, and then delete this part. So, first thing that you want to do is you want to go into the workspace, so let me drag this out a bit. You go into the workspace, you go press that that plus, and then you want to add a tool. And inside of the tool, you want to add just right click on that, add insert object, and then you want to add a part. From that part, you can make it whatever you want it to look like. So I'm just going to do a little, maybe do a button this time because that's sort of what we're doing. So just try and do a quick job of this. Put a neon light on it. Part neon, and I want it to be red. I'm going to weld this to there, and then name this the handle. Right. So I'm going to also rename this to light, or button light, just so we can actually get it when we go into script. So if we now add a script, so press the plus button onto the script, and then we can now start scripting. So we want to make a function for the tool, so local tool equals script.parent. So that's getting from the script into the parent, so that means we've got the entire tool. And we will also have a door, so we've not made a door, so if we just switch back to base plate, go on here, move that over here, transform it, anchor it, and then name it door. Right, so now we have a door as well. So local, this will be a little bit different because we're not actually inside of the door script. So local door equals game dot workspace dot door, and that's it. So now we need to get the functions. So for a tool, you have a few functions. So you have equipped. So let's make a function local function equipped, and then do that. Then we've also got unequipped, so local function unequipped, and then we have activated, so local function activated, and then also a local function right. So each one of these is obviously as it says. So when it's equipped, when it's equipped, this will run. When it's unequipped, this will run. When it's activated, this will run, and when it's unactivated, this will run. Now, these will not actually run instantly. So if we put something inside of here, say print, what should we print? Let's say print equipped. Right, and we go onto here now and we press play. Grab it, it's not going to work. Nothing, like it's not even when we've equipped it, nothing. So in order to get this to run, we need to make sure that we have down here tool dot equipped connect, and then we want to connect our function. So our function is called equipped, and then get rid of these parentheses because you don't need them because they're parameters. So if we press play now, go over to it, it's saying it's equipped. Take it off and on, off and on, off and on, off and on, so forth. Right. Same works with the unequipped, so you do the exact same method here. So let's grab this. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Control V, enter, Control V, enter, Control V, Control V, Control V. Right, we are going to be doing unequipped, unequipped. Unequipped. Grab all this. Activated. Equals activated. Let's do this. We've got activated, and then we need unactivated. So I'll get rid of this because we don't need it. Tool dot on this deactivated connect unactivated. Okay, so let's just put some prints in here just to check if they're all working. So unequipped, print activated, and then print unactivated. Right, so now if we press play, we should be working perfectly. Right, so we've got equipped, activated, unactivated, activated, unactivated, and then unequipped. So everything's working now. Right, so back into scripting. So what we want to do now is, because we've got all these, we would particularly want to work on local activated and unactivated. This is so we can get the door to turn off and on. While we're pressing, we will turn the door off for the can collide. So remember, we now have door. So door dot transparency, this is when it's activated, equals 0.5, just to give it a little bit of an easier know that it's available. And then we want door dot can collide equals false. So that means it won't actually be collidable. Now, if we ran this now, you'll notice that we can click it, but it'll always stay like this now, no matter how many times I re-click it. So to stop that, you need to make sure you actually, when it's unactivated, make the door collidable, and obviously the transparency back to normal. So door.transparency equals 0, because that's setting it back to the neutral. And then door.canCollide equals true. So that means it is a solid object again. Now we're just going to do something a little bit fancier as well. So we're going to go tool dot sorry about that, my phone just rang. Button light. And then we want to turn the button light color, so brick color equals brick color dot new, and then we want to change it to the red, really red. We'll keep it on really red. And then we will actually do... Sorry, I'm being rang a million times. I'm back. Sorry about that. I just had quite a few people deciding that they wanted to ring me at this moment in time. So, right, we've just finished brick colour to really red, so we'll actually change that to really red. The button light, not to crimson to... That's really red. So, now we want, while it's activated, we want the brick, the tool dot button light, which is what we've called our part, dot brick color equals brick color dot new, and then we want really green. Let's say really, can we do really green? Oh no, we can't do really green, so we'll just do green. There we go, bright green. That'll do. Okay, so now if you press play, we will go over to here, and as we can see, it's glowing. Oh, that is cool. There we go. So we're pressing it, it's going to green, and if we let go before we go in, we can't go through. And then if we go in, we can go through. This would be a really great idea for if you wanted to make a pass for inside of your game for people who have explored a certain area and then someone's trying to follow them. Just, bye, I'm gone. Bye, I'm gone. Right. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something and enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.